Black magic, blockage and business problems, spiritual Islamic solution. Sad home, tension visuals. Do all your plans seem to stop just before success? If so, then today's video is for you. However, for a Muslim, the greatest source of strength is trust in Allah and turning to Him for help. Today, we will discuss a few Islamic practices that people believe that the difficulties they face in life are caused by spiritual blockages, the evil eye, or black magic. The will of Allah can bring peace to the heart and ease into life.
Dear friends, first of all, remember that it is not always correct to immediately assume that every problem is caused by black magic or spiritual blockage. Sometimes our own mistakes, poor planning, or difficult circumstances can also be the reason behind our struggles. Instead of becoming overwhelmed, seek help from Allah and maintain a positive mindset.
Prayer brings a person closer to Allah and fills the heart with peace and contentment. Along with this, recite Ayatul Kursi once every morning and evening. Recite Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas 3 times each, then blow over yourself and your family members.
If your home feels unsettled, if there are frequent arguments, or if you constantly sense a negative atmosphere, make it a habit to recite Surah Al-Baqarah.
This can help create a more peaceful environment and bring spiritual comfort. For blessings in your business and livelihood, recite Ya Razak 100 times after the Fajr prayer. Then sincerely ask Allah to bless your sustenance and make your lawful difficulties easier. At the same time, make hard work, honesty, and patience a part of your daily life. Success comes not only through prayer but through prayer combined with sincere effort. Dear friends, make the recitation of the Holy Quran a regular part of your daily routine. Increase the remembrance of Allah and the recitation of Durood Sharif in your home. Where Allah is remembered, His mercy descends, and hearts find peace. Always remember that Allah is greater than every difficulty. There is no problem that Allah cannot solve. May Allah fill our homes with peace, love, and blessings. May He grant success in our businesses and abundance in our sustenance. Ameen. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I am Ayesha Bilal. May Allah keep you all under His protection and care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.